Anyone who has gone through chemotherapy knows how difficult it can be. Beyond hair loss and changes in appearance, the treatment can take a heavy toll on the body. But now, there is fresh hope for patients battling one of the deadliest forms of cancer. A new pill has been shown to nearly double survival time in people with advanced pancreatic cancer, prompting experts to call the findings a potential game changer. Researchers have found that a new drug called Daraxonrasib nearly doubled survival times in patients whose cancer had stopped responding to chemotherapy. The findings come from a phase 3 clinical trial involving 500 patients across North America, Europe, and Asia. The study was led by American scientists, and the results were presented at the American Society of Clinical Oncology's annual meeting in Chicago. The research was also published in the New England Journal of Medicine. The trial included 248 patients who had received Daraxonrasib and 252 who received standard chemotherapy. Patients taking the new drug lived in an average of 13.2 months compared to 6.6 to 6.7 months for those receiving chemotherapy. Researchers say the drug could be a breakthrough for pancreatic cancer, a disease that has the highest mortality rate among major cancers and is notoriously difficult to treat. More than half of pancreatic cancer patients die within 3 months of diagnosis, largely because the disease is often detected at a late stage. Symptoms can include jaundice, itchy skin, dark urine, pale stools, unexplained weight loss, fatigue, and fever. So how does the drug work? It targets a mutation in a gene called KRAS, which helps control how cells grow and divide. In more than 90% of pancreatic cancer cases, this gene is altered, causing cancer cells to keep growing and multiplying without control. Scientists have been trying for years to develop a drug that can directly target KRAS. This drug appears to do that by blocking the mutated KRAS protein and stopping the signals that help cancer cells grow. The treatment is taken orally as 3 pills once a day, making it less invasive than many existing therapies. The drug also showed a better safety profile than chemotherapy. Severe side effects were reported in 43.6% of patients taking Daraxonrasib compared to 57.5% of those receiving chemotherapy. The excitement surrounding the drug extends beyond pancreatic cancer. KRAS mutations are also found in several other cancers, including lung, colorectal, ovarian, endometrial, and bile duct cancers, raising hopes that the treatment could benefit a much wider group of patients in future. The US Food and Drug Administration has already placed this drug on a fast-track pathway toward approval for pancreatic cancer.